Here we are with flight 2 of the day. The wind really hasn't died down much. So again, I don't know if we're going to be trying anything new today, but I figured, you know what, might as well maybe get some practice on things I'm comfortable with, but in the wind, because I really don't, I don't want to be someone who's afraid to fly in the wind. So one of the things that I want to get better at, obviously, is these pirouettes, because as I was saying in the first video, I really want to get my piro flips down, and to be able to do that, I realized that, I mean, if you're gonna do them consistently, I have to have much more control of my pirouettes, both upright and inverted. So, at speed, and that's a big thing that I'm finding. Anyways, I can do one flip, obviously, but now I'm starting in the sim to be working on, doing a piro flip, or starting with pirouettes, and then, the way you're supposed to, obviously, doing pirouettes and then flipping as you're doing them. But, it's definitely work to, do a pirouette, flip, continue a pirouette, inverted. Oh, that was a little dicey, but definitely gonna take some work. Now, I've gotten to a point with my pirouettes where I'm really not afraid that I'm going to lose control or that I'm going to crash. I don't want to jinx myself on that right now. Oh, that's a pretty solid wind coming in. Definitely, ooh. Got the wind in the back, so I really don't know if you're hearing that in the camera, but definitely a stiff wind going in now. So much so that I'm not as comfortable even doing things that I've been doing pretty confidently. I was gonna do some flips, but with this kind of wind, I'm not even sure. And I'm sure that there's others that would be, have no problems, flying in this kind of wind. When I say, I can't, this is just my own comfort level we're talking about. To be able to fly I was gonna do a circuit there and was getting held up and had to concentrate a bit, so I just kind of pulled out of it. I mean, that's the kind of wind that I feel I'm kind of dealing with here. Clearly it's something I have to work on to kind of get comfortable with, but I am proud of the fact that I'm not afraid, to take off and, start flying in this wind. It's just what I'm comfortable doing in this wind. When I say that, it's because when I when I started learning at the beginning of this summer, like I almost waited for completely, you know, days where there was almost like no wind, and there was no way I would ever have flown in wind like this. So that in and of itself is a bit of an accomplishment for me anyways. Sorry, I know it's a pretty boring video, but it is what it is.